got another new dog home. We're already very full, but we just can't put this beautiful girl back to the streets. You know, we're gonna rescue her and train her and find her a home. We named her Melody. She's a really beautiful girl. And we just got home now this minute, so nothing is planned. And we have a lot of little puppies here, as you can see. Big dogs, small dogs, male, female, different age. So I'm just gonna let her off the leash. And we'll see how she's like. Good pee-pee. Ball, 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 ball. Anybody play ball? She was in the bed, you know, getting sprayed and locked in cages, so we're just going to let her go, have some fun with the dogs, puppies, big dogs, she must be hungry. Just going to play in the yard for a little bit. And what's really good here is that we train them to be very dog friendly. All the dogs, they eat together, so definitely no food aggression. We have toys, they share their toys, bed, so they all have to live together. And they get to play about 2 to 3 hours in the yard. They go inside, sleep in dog beds, and it's doing really good. Tail's up, and she'll figure it out. A lot of dogs to play with.